So you spent the last 7.5 hours haggling with the auto dealer, and you finally got a deal that you can accept. You're super excited to drive your car off the lot. But before you do so, you better make sure that you have the right insurance in place. There's nothing worse than hearing a story about someone who just purchased a new car and on their way home got hit and their car is totaled by an uninsured driver. Now, you've heard me say over and over and over again the importance of uninsured motorist coverage. Now, that's always number one on your list, but close second should be collision and comprehensive, especially if you just got a new car. Collision and comprehensive helps protect your automobile no matter who causes the accident. Now, dealers want to get you on the road and that contract signed as soon as possible. Many times people buy auto insurance on a Saturday or a Sunday and your local agent isn't open. Make sure you call that national number and go over your coverages carefully to make sure that you have comprehensive and collision. Because I promise you, if you're on your way home and you get hit by an uninsured driver, you're going to regret not taking the time to get the proper insurance. If you ever have any questions about your auto insurance policies and want to know if you really truly are fully covered, give me a call at 833-MIKE 24/7. Let me go over your policy with you and make sure that you really do have full coverage.